Here's how to make 3 different eye creams for the morning, daytime and night, using only 3 ingredients each. Our first eye cream is great for early mornings and puffy eyes. It has aloe vera gel as a base that has a cooling effect, as well as nourishing and repairing damaged skin. Green tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and can shrink blood vessels, reducing puffy eyes and dark circles. You can either use it in a powdered or liquid form. Glycerin is a natural humectant that attracts moisture to the under eye area for younger looking, plump and hydrated skin. Combine these ingredients in a bowl. The caffeine and antioxidants in this natural eye cream help with early morning puffiness, dark circles and sensitive skin. Our second cream is great for daytime use. Aloe vera gel is still the base, but we're using colloidal oatmeal, which is a form of ground oats. Oats are extremely moisturizing and repair your skin's barrier without being heavy or greasy, making them great for everyday use. Their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties help to relieve sensitive or irritable skin. Combine the oats with glycerin and aloe vera gel. This daytime gel is specifically designed to provide lasting moisture while still being light and easily absorbed into the skin for the delicate eye area. Oats are amazing for dry or sensitive skin. To learn more about colloidal oatmeal and how to incorporate oats into your skincare, click the link above to watch my oat moisturizer tutorial. For our intensive night under eye treatment, the avocado butter base penetrates deep into the under eye for lasting hydration. This nutrient-rich butter melts easily, repairing damaged cells for healthy-looking skin. Vitamin E oil is well known for repairing damaged skin and helping with discoloration and dark circles. Rosehip oil is rich in retinol or vitamin A that naturally rejuvenates and brightens the eye area. This eye cream is best used at night to allow for all its benefits to absorb into your skin. To apply your natural eye creams, take a small amount and gently tap it into your under eye and surrounding area. For even more simple natural skincare tutorials, check out the playlist below.